All right, hello everybody. I hope that you guys had a great week, a great day today. Today's Friday. I know today was NFP, so I hope if any of you guys took trades, you followed your plan. You waited until after the news, to take a trade. Hopefully, and yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick daily, breakdown. I didn't take any trades today. I missed, sending a video up through here yesterday, simply just because I was just extremely busy. I didn't get home until maybe around like 11 something p.m. and I literally like knocked out like in my work clothes. So sorry about that. I'm working towards being a little bit more efficient with my time so I can just get this sent out like right after my trading day ends and right before I go to work. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Starting off on the 4 hour time frame, I was bearish on price, simply just because we are in the daily we are in the daily we were in the daily imbalance range price range, and I was open to looking at opportunities for price to break structure to the upside on the 1 hour time frame to possibly take a counter trade to the upside, but I was not confident in that. I was definitely more confident in a short position, as we were just flowing to the downside on the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frames. We did have NFP, like I said today. So today at 8:30, the news was released. Price impulse to the upside took this high. We look on ES, let me go to the 15-minute on both because that's where the price action is the cleanest. So we get the impulse 8:30. Starting at 8:30, I start trading after 9:30 a.m. So it has to be 9:30 a.m. or after. So none of this really affected me. I was just looking to see how price was going to react. Price took the high on ES, but it did not on NQ. So if you look at my price, like the cursor, that lines up price on each of the assets, and ES took the high, NQ didn't, creating a bearish divergence. That's what this orange line is here. So this is indicating to me that we are going to be going back short throughout the rest of the day, possibly to end off the day. Also, the news that was released was negative news. Where is it? Non-farm employment change. So, you know, well under, well under, well under estimation. Um, so, so yeah, uh, I was very short on the day. I did miss a position. A position was missed. Not, I mean, simply because I just wasn't confident in it at the time. Like I'm seeing it now in situations like this. I can take it, maybe go in half size or 33% size on the trade, especially if I'm on my TradeAvate account or on my Nova funded platform. And so we have the bears divergence that's created on the 15-minute. I go down to the 5, and I also went down to the 1 looking for breaks of structure to the downside or an imbalance entry or a type C entry, which is a break of an imbalance to the opposite direction. So going back down to the 1, what am I doing? Going back down to the 1 here. So I was looking for an entry after 9:30 off of the break of the imbalance of a bullish imbalance. So we got that. So right around, so really like we have this small imbalance here, but I wasn't really too keen on it. So then I went up back out to the 5 minute. There was nothing that I wanted to take. Goodness, what am I? All right, so there's nothing I really wanted to take simply because we break this bullish imbalance, but price is all the way down here. I wasn't keen on taking a position down here, targeting this low. It would have been a negative risk reward as my high, and this with this type of entry is going to be at the divergence high if I'm selling. So yeah, that just wasn't something I was interested in. I saw the imbalance here that was created. I just didn't take it. I could have taken it here. Let me delete this. I could have taken it here, but I just did not like the risk on it that much, honestly. Like I just wasn't really a big fan on it. Like it would have been less than a 1-to-1. I was not really a big fan. Maybe I can see if I can go to a lower time frame and see if there's anything that I missed that I should have caught. I just don't really see anything for me. There was no divergence here based on the highs on the 1 minute time frames between ES and NQ. I remember watching this. I just was not a big fan of this trade, honestly. Maybe I could have put stops at this wick high here, but I didn't want to. I want to have my accounts in more of a cushion and more of stronger profit levels before I start doing that. I want, at least a 1 to 2 on most of these trades. So didn't take this today. It would have been a good trade. Maybe could have just reduced the risk, forced it to be a 1 to 2, and it still would have been a good trade. But yeah, I did not take anything today. Um, yeah, I mean, I think I handled the day pretty well. Uh, this week was my first week starting at my new job, so I I just been like really trying to not balance, but trying to be more intentional with making good decisions on the charts. Not because I want to be able to trade full time, but because it's a good trade to take. So I've been even just more cautious with that. I think this week was a good week. I only really took 2 trades this week. Made around like $200 this week. Pretty slow week, but it was good. Didn't overtrade or anything like that. So yeah, if there's anything that you guys saw that I missed or that I could have taken advantage of, that I could have done better, please let me know in the comments. Also, I have a free Discord in the description as well. I don't sell anything. It's about 41, 42 people in there. All of us, we just talk about trading. We talk about just developing ourselves as traders and as people, because trading is kind of like the gateway drug to self improvement. Yeah, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you to everybody that's watching this, and have a great weekend. I will see you guys next time I make a video. And all right, good night.